The strength is absolutely unparalleled, right? I mean, this kind of in price action we've seen when this market was really in a very strong uptrend. For example, in 2021, 2023, better part of 2023 in the first half. So the strength is quite reminiscent of what we've seen in the previous patches of strong uptrend.
Absolutely right, Nikunj, and I think it comes at a point where the markets required this kind of a momentum coming back, or a shift of momentum coming back from being into a downtrend and then to a recovery, then sideways consolidation. So I think yesterday's move was quite strong for the index. What we've done yesterday is we've managed to scale past about series of resistances for both the Nifty as well as for the Bank Nifty. We've scaled past about 24,500, which was a niggling resistance for the Nifty over the very short term. We took almost 3 to 5 trading sessions for the Nifty to scale past above this level. We managed to close above certain key moving averages for the Nifty. There's been change of stance from the option writers yesterday. That was a very encouraging data point. From being more of call writing side at 24,500, we've seen the shift happening from call writers towards put writing for the index, and now 24,500 should be a base or a support for the Nifty. So I think on the back of this, the markets look to be into fine fettle. The very important part when we look at this on a technical front is we've managed to scale past about the 50% retracement of the 3,000 odd point correction for the Nifty in the last 2.5 odd months, and I think that's a much more bigger technical point, because generally when we scale past about the 50% resistance and that acts as a floor over the next maybe a week or so, then the market comes back or tries to come back towards the previous life high levels or the starting point of the correction. So all in all, looks attractive. 24,500 should be a good short-term base for the Nifty.
Okay, that's the take on the Nifty. Nooresh, hi, morning. All about IT and banks, I guess. Firstly, a call on IT. Given the charged up move and the kind of contribution that most of the large cap IT names made to the markets yesterday.
So yesterday was the day Nifty IT hit a new all-time high and closed well into the all-time highs. And at the same time, you are seeing one of the underperformers, Infosys, coming back to 2021 highs, very close to making a high of the last 3 years. Then you have TCS also making a pullback. And many of the names have continued into new 52-week highs. Even the underperformers are starting to take lead. So overall, IT still looks positive, but would focus more on Infosys and a bunch of small caps. Similarly, Bank Nifty is just 2%, 1.5 to 2% away from an all-time high. Same is the case with small cap and mid cap indices. Small cap indices are just 1.5 to 2.5% from an all-time high. So overall, the recovery broad-based has been much better than the Nifty. And Nifty has yesterday crossed about 24,500. The next price point is 25,000, 25,200, and 24,150 now becomes a base for the short term.
Taken, so that's the.
If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe to ET Now.